Hey, 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 what are the perspectives that we need to hear and see today? Let's start with some cards I already pre shuffled, and these are the ones that popped out for today. Breathe deeper, extend your breath, and listen to your heart. Create a life from here. It's okay to be scared. You're about to do something really, really brave. Take a deep breath because fear is just a sign that you're about to do something big. Step forward with courage and determination. You might just discover that what scared you silly was the key to unlocking your true awesomeness. Embrace change. Embrace change and welcome new possibilities. Hope. Hope is beautiful because regardless of my current situation, it whispers, there's more and more. Gratitude. Be grateful for every shared moment. Celebrate the miracle of your meeting. Where are the instructions? In school, we got a syllabus that outlined all expectations and a clear path to success. But there is no syllabus for life that outlines the steps you need to take to graduate to the next event. This life itself is a lesson, and the test, there is no dean's list and no gold stars. There is just the sum of your relationships and your actions, measured by how you feel when you lie down to go to sleep at night, the length of your group chats, and how many babies wave hello to you at the grocery store. Confidence and courage. I trust myself. I am wise. I am strong. I am worthy. I am capable. Let stillness lead you. You find yourself facing two paths. Making a choice may seem daunting, but what if the power lies therein? What is a big life decision you had to make? Did making a choice leave you feeling empowered? In what way did it make you feel more personal power? Money. Think of money as a source. Like air, you breathe in, you breathe out. There is always enough air. Most people never feel as if they have enough money. There is always a feeling of lack around the word. So, change the word. Try calling money by a different name. I pay my bills with green energy. I have enough resources to pay my bills. I am so happy I have enough pink bananas. Notice that when you change the word, you change the energetic connection to money. Frog spirit, renewal, number 20, or a number 2. What do frogs mean to you? Number 19, sexuality. Express pure love. Number 35, planetary cleansing. Keep your space pure and clear. Blessed, beloved child of the universe, believe that goodness will arise in your life. Trust in the beauty that is destined for you. I open my arms to receive the many blessings meant for me. Empowerment. When you ask the divine to take over, you get pulled into your own authentic power. It's a force of inner love that wants your wholeness and magnificent. Unfold my true and radiant self, dear Lord. Number 10, commitment. What are you going to commit yourself to today? Number 3, take action on the next step in front of you. Number 11, each evolutionary turn requires you to give up who you think you are. Number 30, trust and act accordingly. Boundaries. Where do you need to establish better boundaries? Your no is just as important as your yes. Let's do this one today. Reconnect with excitement. Ask, what makes you feel alive or curious? Even small things, music, movement, creativity can ignite your spark. Act on that excitement immediately. Your inner fire responds to attention. How to spread joy. Carry light energy and smile often, and speak with warmth in your tone. People can feel it. Then, what you say. Be fully present and be truly listening, radiating gratitude. Practice micro kindness and play more. Mantra. I trust the path of my soul. Every meeting, every heartbreak, every letting go brings me closer to the love and destiny already written for me. How to be compassionate towards a difficult soul. Imagine this person's life, struggles, and desires for happiness. Repeat silently, may you be happy, may you be safe, may you be free from suffering. Let go of judgments and say, I release judgment, I choose compassion. And the last one today, perspective number 95. Everything is neutral until you give it meaning. Nothing has built-in meaning. You are designed to give life meaning. Meaning is what you give it. Your interpretation shapes your reality. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios.